Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to bank account. So first we're going to go to the Amazon app. Then we're going to get logged in. After that we're going to click on the profile icon next to the home. Then as you can see, you're going to go to your accounts and click on manage gift card balance. So this is your gift card balance. You could go and click on redeem another gift card. So we're going to scroll downwards. Then click on purchase a gift card. Then you're going to choose the amount you want to gift, as well as different logos. So you're going to add the recipients. You can add your own name here. This is the trick. So add your own name, add your own email, then deliver it to them. So since it's going to deliver it from a gift card, it's going to transfer it to your bank account. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.